Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be playing Flee the Facility and stuff, and let's see what I am. Wait, I need to, I'll see you guys when the game starts, so yeah. Yeah, I couldn't wait any longer, so I just, I just want to see this with you guys so you won't be bored. Actually, so I won't be bored, because I'd already be in the game by now. So yeah, let's see. Well, he just stuck there. It's like, help me! Help me! Help! Help! No! No! The beast is coming! The beast is coming! Let's go! Let's go! Okay. Oh, don't let him see you. Don't let him see you. But that's not my camera time. I'm on spectate mode. So if you guys didn't know, I want to show you guys a secret. It's right behind the house. So you can join my game right now because after this, I'm gonna be playing Flee the Facility for a little bit longer. You can go into here. Make sure you go the right way. Yeah. There's a dead end in here, and you can only go two different ways. Which is the right way is this way, I think. Yeah, this way. Nope, not the other way. I usually always get stuck right here. So yeah, if you guys want to check that out, you can. And oh, I can't reset. I was about to reset. So I want to show you guys what it looks like in here. So anyways, go down here, and there's just a machine and stuff. Polyba, BUS, and yeah. I will see you guys when I'll just pause until I make it up here all the way. Yeah.